Hi everyone, this is Larry with your WTR quick rundown on Gillette On Demand. Gillette On Demand is a razor and shaving product delivery service offering both subscription-based services and one-off delivery services of 3 of the company's big brand razors and blades: Sensor 3, Mach 3, and Fusion Proshield. The company is currently offering a $3 discount on your first order, and for subscribed customers, every 4th order is free. As well as online ordering, the company allows existing customers to order by text, ideal for customers who are on the go. However, only 3 of Gillette's razors are available via the service, and Sensor 3 disposables don't come with free shipping. Gillette On Demand currently only offers razors and razor blades. Bottom line, if brand name is important to you, then Gillette On Demand is a good choice for your shave product supplier. Please visit watchithreview.com for more in-depth reviews.